Let's explore AI agents, computer programs that can watch, think, and act on their own, like tireless personal helpers that learn from experience. Picture your school planner coming to life, transforming from a static notebook into an active helper that reminds you about assignments and answers your questions. You already interact with AI agents daily through chatbots on websites, game bots you battle, virtual assistants like Siri, and Netflix's recommendation system. AI agents work like following a recipe. They take your input, process it through algorithms, then deliver the output you need. Whether you speak, type, or click, the AI workflow captures your input, processes your request, and produces the right action or response. Just like training a puppy with treats and praise, AI agents learn through rewards and feedback, getting better with each interaction. AI agents excel because they never tire, save us time, can help thousands simultaneously, and handle repetitive tasks we'd rather avoid. AI agents can personalize experiences by learning your preferences and habits over time. While personalization makes AI feel more helpful by understanding your habits and tailoring recommendations, it risks creating echo chambers that limit your exposure to new ideas. We must carefully consider bias in training data, transparency about AI interactions, privacy protection, safety guidelines, and who's responsible when things go wrong. Future AI will branch into specialized roles: tutors helping students learn, doctors serving remote areas, explorers assisting astronauts, and assistants managing our daily lives. Now let's apply what we've learned through some hands-on activities. These reflection exercises challenge you to consider how you'd respond to AI refusal or errors, debate AI use in homework, and design your ideal agent. Write a short reflection on how you would use an AI agent in your daily life and what rules you think it should follow.